Hello, Leslie here with another Plan With Me. We're in my Happy Planner Classic, and we're using a kit from Coffeebreakplanner that was sent to me from Teresa Plans. I wanted to do it in inspiration of all of the sunflower new releases that we have going in the shop tonight when you watch this. So I thought I would go ahead and play with this kit. I did go ahead and cover up the dates that are in the planner. I used this washi right here and then the date covers, and then I actually wrote in my own dates. I know, who is this? Okay, so my first idea is to take the other washi tape that I have, and instead of using it as bottom washi, because of the fact that it's a Happy Planner, I'm just going to cut it in half. Nobody get mad. It will be fine, I promise. Well, we'll see. I don't really know, actually. So we're going to cut these in half, both of them. I know they're never going to go back together. It's going to be terrible, but I think it'll be fun. Okay. So the reason I left it attached is because it'll be easier to peel up. That's the plan. Okay, so this one is going to go over here. I'm going to go all the way to the outside of the planner. Try to not take up as much space. I just thought it would be fun to put this in a different way. Pulling it towards me a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so that's what I thought would happen. I thought I would need a little bit more. That's why I grabbed this one as well. Okay, I think I want to cut a little bit of it off. Let's see, because it kind of looks like this one. I'm going to cut right here. Cut that little sunflower center off. And then attach this part to that one, even though it's not exactly the same. We're just going to pretend that it is. I'm going to go to here with it, I think. I think that's where I'm going to stop. I might need this piece, so I am going to save it. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to go all the way to the sidebar with this piece right here. So I'm going to take this one. We're going to do it to the sidebar area. So I am going to try to go right underneath where August is, trying to line that up a little bit. We'll see. Hope for the best kind of thing. Okay, there's that one. And then we need to grab, let's see. Can I make this piece work for me? Maybe. No, that'll look funny. So we need the other half of this. Okay. And it kind of looks like almost the same thing is happening again. So I can cut it right about where I did before. Then I still have some left over. I won't use this piece probably. Looks kind of funny on its own. Okay, add this in over here. We'll go to that bottom line right there. Stop right there. I do have a little bit of chunk here. We'll see if it comes in handy later. We'll see, but there's my little washi fringe sheet that I have. There's that. Okay, and then I want a Monday through Sunday. I think I'm going to grab the blue. I feel like there's going to be a lot of yellow in this spread. So I'm going to grab the blue for my dinner sticker. And then I'm pretty sure there's a dinner's header sticker. Yeah, let's grab the yellow one. Okay, so we're going to grab this one. And I'm going to go ahead and put this. It's going to hang over just a little bit. We're going to put this over here. Is where I think I want it. And then we'll put this up here. You guys can see that. Okay. And then I think I want to put another. Yeah, I do want to have some full boxes going down. I want to have over here. Let's do one of the bees because I do want to incorporate the bees, not just the sunflowers. I definitely want to have both. I want to have both. Okay, this one's going to go here to kind of cover up that whiteout. The plan is to completely cover up all the whiteout spaces, just because I don't like the whiteout, but that's just me. Okay, and then over here we're gonna do, I think the blue, because we might come back to yellow over here. I'm just gonna stick this. I want that right there, or do I want it a little bit lower? I think I want it a little bit lower. I want to cover up the bee, so we're probably gonna have to put some washi tape up there in between that and that. And I do have some, so let's go ahead and grab it. I grabbed these three. I said I was probably going to use yellow. We go ahead and do the sunflower one. I think yes, because it's a sunflower spread. Okay, we're going to trim this one out, I think, instead of tearing. Ooh, drop the scissors. Sorry, it was loud. Okay. We're going to go this way with it. And go ahead and layer it onto our Dinner sticker, a smidge. Went ahead and whited it out because the colors that were in the spread are that peach color that you can see on August. That's why I whited it out ahead of time, because I knew that color was not going to be what I wanted to see anyway. Okay, and then we need probably a checklist for Monday. Mondays are usually pretty busy. Honestly, it's my last day off before I go back to work. I said I was probably going to grab a yellow, so let's grab a yellow. And then, see, where do I want this one? I want it right next to that one? Do we drop it down here? I'm fine with dropping it down here. That works for me, I think. Ooh, it depends on my quote sticker. I might need to move it up just a little bit. I have a quote sticker picked out, but I don't know if I want it for sure. Okay, we'll go ahead and grab one of these to-dos. There's going to be hopefully not too much to do. I do want to relax on my last day before going back to work, but we shall see. Okay, then I want to grab another sticker here. I'm thinking I want to go ahead and grab this one because I think my quote's going to go somewhere over here. We're going to put this one in about there. I'm just going to lay all the stickers down crooked. That's what's happening. Okay, we're going to put that down, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my sticker book that I want to use a quote out of, which I know you're shocked. Once again, a watercolor sticker book quote. This is my sticker book that has my quotes in it. That's just kind of what happens. So I thought this quote would work best. Success is not for the lazy, because there's like busy bees on here. And then it's like my first week back to work, so I best not be being lazy because I need to get stuff done. I don't know. That's kind of what I was thinking. Okay, so do I white out all those lines? Probably, or at least try to fade them out. I did look into getting another whiteout pen like this. Who was it? Someone made a good one. So if you have any recommendations, I'm on the lookout for a cute one. Not a cute one. Yeah, it has to be a cute looking pen. No, for one that works really well in covering this up, because this one kind of just fades it out unless I go really slow, which we all know I don't have the patience to do. So I end up just kind of like scratching it over and hoping that it looks a little better than having the lines there. So that'll kind of be something that I'm interested in picking up. I forget which brand it was that I was looking at. It's in my Amazon cart right now. But I was like, oh, maybe there's a better one. I need to like wait a minute. I don't know. I'm always a waiter when it comes to making purchases. Okay, do we need to let that dry? I don't even know. Okay, let's go ahead and put this. Right, tilt it? Why not? Let's tilt it so it goes into the box a little bit. Ooh, cute. Okay, so that's my plan there. I do want to grab another checklist for Tuesday. Tuesday is actually going to be full of meetings for me, and then coming home. Oh goodness, oh goodness. That's kind of how it looks. Okay, and then I know I want one of these. Where's one of those magical stickers? I really liked in this kit, they had somewhat of a unique sticker. Was the sticker with the lines in it. I think I want to grab the 3. And I'm going to stick that one here. Okay. That one there. And then this one is going to come over here a little bit. I'd love to layer that on a little bit more though, so maybe we will. Okay, we will. So a little bit of checklist on Wednesday the 19th. Probably not even going to put a checklist on Thursday because of the fact that, oh, I do want another half box though. Because of the fact that Thursday is my meet the teacher night, so it gets kind of crazy. Should I grab another full box or is that too many? I don't know. Okay, I know what I want to do. I'm going to put this box down over here. And then I'm going to grab this one. Yeah, I want a blue one. We're going to grab this one. And I think I want to take this right here. Ooh, it's got washi on it. It's fine. If I cut it this way, I think so. I think just a smidge of it would be good. And then I want to stick this behind here. I think that's a fun look. There. So it's like a little washi chunk. I just turned it into a washi chunk. We may use this somewhere else. Probably will. Okay. Then, like I said, Thursday, not going to have a lot to do because I'm not going to be home that much. I think putting a big sunflower. No, let's do the bees again. No, let's do the sunflower. What is she doing? Okay, I want to have this over here. And then I said I wasn't going to do a big checklist because I'm not going to be home. So I might just washi a little bit. Do a little bit of washi across there. So this is going to go here. And then we'll go ahead and put a half box in here because I'll probably have to do something. Something will need to get done. Should we do yellow? I pulled a blue and then I realized that sticker was blue. Okay, we'll put this one here in for Thursday. And then I could honestly do, like I said, Thursday can kind of be open. We'll just see what's going to happen there. And then if I go over to Friday I'll probably have a lot to do because of the fact that we do have an event to go to that day. I do want to have this sticker up here. It's actually in the morning too. So we have my son's meet the teacher. So that's exciting. Okay, let's grab a blue checklist. We're going to put this down here because I'm probably going to have a lot to do on Friday. We shall see. And then I think I'm going to do a weekend checklist. And what I mean by that is I'm going to put it here knowing full well that basically I can do this anytime, either Saturday or Sunday. So I think that'll work best for me. Yes, I'll grab headers in a minute. This I keep holding on to though for some reason. This is really matchy to that, so I need to have it not near that. That's for sure. Okay, and then I want to have probably a half box. Probably, I go yellow or blue? Here, let's go blue and yellow. Do this one here. And then we'll do this one kind of off of it in case it carries over into there. And then this we'll put down here. I think that'll be good. And then I do have another sticker that I thought would work as a weekend banner. It was in the sticker book as well. Same one, didn't leave. Think happy, be happy, because it says be. That's where I was going with. Okay, so I think this will go across from here and look pretty good. Yeah, that works for me. And then we can go ahead and put a yellow quarter box on top of this one because that'll look cute, a little bit more layered in. Okay, now we need to add in some more washi. I do want to experiment with taking this washi and tearing it in half a little bit, like in different chunks. I want to take this, cut it off, and then I want to tear it. So this has like a denim stripe to it. I'm not sure what width of washi I'm looking for, but probably a little bit thinner than that. Let's try again. Go from this side. And I peel washi apart. Probably. Okay, that looks a little better. I don't like this other piece, that's for sure. Okay, let's go. There, I like it. Okay, this piece I don't like. We're not friends. That's not the look that I wanted. Okay, this is gonna come here. Go right there, and then I'm gonna take that, where'd the sunflower washi run off to? I'm gonna take a bit of sunflower washi, layer that on down here, I think. That, yeah, that looks cool. And then, did I use all the full boxes I wanted to? I don't think I did. That's fine too though, but I did think about doing something else. So I want to grab this punch right here and see if I can get some good hexagons. See, I'm afraid of that. That's what I was afraid of. I have to trim around these boxes so I can get to the sticker itself. That's fine. Okay, so I can get to the stickers. All right, I want to use this one. Can I get 2 out of this? Be awesome. Nope, but maybe a half of one. That might work. Ooh, can I get half and half of this one? That'll be fun. Okay, and then we have this one. Because I thought the bee hexagon things were kind of cool. And I thought it would be fun to kind of build some of those. Okay. I'm going to put this one. We're going to do it over here, I think. I'm going to put this right here. And then I wanted to take these. I'm in luck. It's peeling apart for me. Good times. Okay. Want a little bit of space there. And then I should have another of the other half. Where'd that go? Did I lose it? That would stink. Okay. We have this one. That one over here. Ooh, that's a little crooked. Does that matter? Her stickers seem very removable, I will say. Okay, this is hard to do. No lie. Not to be too crooked. Okay, here's the other half. I know. I thought I lost it too. Okay, so I think I'm going to go over here with this one. There. That looks really cool in that corner. Ooh, I'm liking that. Okay. Then as far as this yellow washi, this one is from the Planner Society. Just kind of fun. Okay, we're just going to put this in, I think here and there. I don't want white there. I don't want yellow there. I'm going to put a header there. It'll be okay. We'll do this one over here. That in there. Not on top of the sticker. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Might keep that half. And then maybe some more sunflower washi over here. That little flag happening. And then do that. And then I think we're going to end up having to leave some of that there. I said I would grab headers and I didn't, so I'm driving you guys nuts. Okay, so I said to do probably, or today. Let's grab it today. Over here. And then, do I have another checklist? Yeah. Another one over here. And then I had one up here. I said that was my to-dos for the weekend. Yeah. I think that's how that's going to look. How fun would this be as a little flag, though? Use that up. Angle. Oh, also, if you notice something wrong with the top of my hand, my left hand, I burned it. It's fine. Do I want that over here or over here? Let's put it right here. Kind of fun. There. Okay, so I think, no, I don't like it now. I changed my mind. I don't like it now. I tried. It didn't work. So there you go. This is my Fiskars punch. I don't know that you guys have seen me use it just yet. I got it a little while ago from my local scrapbooking store, so that was fun to go shopping a little bit and support a local business of my town. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, these little pieces. Let's go ahead and add some clips. So one of the new sunflower clips is this bow right here. That's going up tonight in the shop. And then let's see. Let's also grab the bee. We have to have a bee. And then we have the sunflower clip that I released 2 weeks ago. I have this one right here. Oh, no, I want this one over here. I changed my mind because my other one is a coffee cup that is released this week. It's our first ever coffee cup with an image on it, so that's kind of fun. And then I did have one more, but I think I'm good. But it's a honey palm. But I think it's a little dark, so I think we're good. I think we'll leave it with 4. I think that looks fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. It was fun to do with you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my planner and stick it in there. I always throw all my stuff on my planner while I'm filming, and that's why it never ends up in the video. So here you go. Oh, also, I would like to report that using the Papermate markers, these ones, the flares, did not bleed through. I was worried about that. Also, my pen was not broken. It was completely empty. Like, what? I actually used up a whole pen. Are you serious? And of course, my spares are at work. So, because I was going to bring home a bunch of stuff from work on the last day of school, but it poured rain. So, you know, I didn't. So there you go. That is my spread and my happy planner. I hope you guys have an awesome week and day. And make sure you are subscribed. Hit that little subscribe button so that you can see my future videos. And if you would like notifications for my future videos, just click that bell. And then YouTube will notify you when I have a new one up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!